Troops, good afternoon. Today I will show you different kinds of Unilever Company merged Knorr Cubes. Sa Knorr Cubes, meron tayong Knorr Cubes Chicken Broth Cube. Knorr Chicken Broth Cubes. Next, meron din tayong Knorr Beef Broth. Knorr Cubes Breath Broth. Yan yung mga Knorr Cubes Beef Broth. Ito yung chicken broth cubes. Ito yung beef. Next, meron din tayong Knorr Cubes broth cubes made with real chicken, source of iron. Unilever po yan. You can buy it from any grocery stores, most grocery stores. Ginawa ko tong video na to para alam nyo kung ano mga Unilever Company merch. Yung Knorr Cubes, isa lang po yun sa mga Unilever Company merch. Sa hindi pa nakakaalam kung ano mga Unilever Company merch. Yan yung Knorr Cubes Chicken Broth box, small box. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Knorr Cubes Beef Broth. Isang small box din. Made with real beef. Net weight niya po are 60 grams. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Knorr Cubes Shrimp Broth Cubes. Made with shrimp, real shrimp. Net weight niya 60 grams. Unilever po yan. Small box, Knorr Cubes Shrimp Broth Cubes. Next, meron din tayong Knorr Cubes Chicken Cubes. Naka small box din. Net weight niya po ay 120 grams. 12 cubes po yan. Ito 6 cubes. Review natin yung Knorr Cubes Broth Cubes Chicken Broth Cubes, 12 cubes. Knorr Shrimp Broth Cubes 6 cubes. Beef Broth Cubes Chicken Broth Cubes. Unilever po yan. Yan yung single Knorr Cubes. Yung beef. Yung chicken. That's it for today's Unilever Company merge video. Nor cubes, chicken, beef, shrimp. Available po yan lahat sa grocery stores, mga most grocery stores, mga most grocery stores. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company Merge videos para updated ka sa mga video ko, mga Unilever Company Merge video. Respect, always rise, never give up. God bless us all, always. Thank you for watching.